The structure of a winning video goes like this. You find a specific audience and you find out what's meaningful or inspiring or useful to them. Then you start with an opening hook that's going to keep them watching, that's going to grab their attention and make them understand what's in it for them if they watch this video. Then, of course, you're going to give the relevant, topical, insightful, meaningful value portion of your video. You're going to give a call to action, which is going to describe what you want them to do next. And then you're going to end with something that gives them a feeling. And if you have no little story that you tell or ready to go for that video, then just give your inspirational sign off. I usually say something like, go forth with camera influence. Why do I say that? Because camera influence it's the emotional promise of my brand. I want you to influence more people. I want you to have impact. I want you to have confidence. But if I have to crystallize it down into something, I would say, go forth with camera influence. Now I'm starting to pivot to corporate audience and executives. So for them, I may say something like, so go forth, communicate clearly, inspire, and lead, right? Because that's their goal. So it just depends. If you have multiple audiences, just come up with something like that for your brand.